So today's tutorial will be a quick one, and I want to give a shout out to Benson Esther. She did this creative birthday poster, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight ahead to business. The first thing we want to do is set the image size. I will only be changing the width on the default PixelLab size here, 1024 for the width. The height remains 1280. All right. So the first thing I want to do is bring in the image. Like I said, it's going to be a quick one. No much paparazzi on this. So shout out to the original designer, Benson Esther. She actually did a very, very beautiful job with this one. So I wouldn't want to take much of our time, like I said. So let's just increase this a little bit, and as always, we want to lock our work so we don't get interrupted. Bring this to the front. So now we change the background color, and the background color is not going to be a pure white. So we'll just go straight ahead and pick it from here. And F2, F4, F1, that's the color code for this one. So you can see now it now brings out the beauty of the whole thing. Then the other thing we want to do, first and foremost, let's bring in the main text, Benson. Delete this, so we have Benson to be like this, and increase it. So we want to check for the font that is closely related to the one the original designer used here. And I'll be going through my fonts, and let's see which one sticks to it. So this one, I don't know what you think about this. So let me copy this. I'll just look for one more variant, and go. I wouldn't take much time on this one. It's just going to be a quick one, something you can replicate for you know someone. Okay, no, this one won't work. It's long font, and I want to see which other one can go. All right, so I'm still looking for the one that I can use. Let me see Telegraph. So Telegraph. Okay, these two, they are looking nice for me. They're looking nice. The both of them is looking nice, but I wouldn't want to take much time. So I want you to just choose whichever one you want. I will just be going with this first one here. So let's centralize this. Then the major thing I want to do for here is see the color. We'll be using a gradient color for this. So we'll be using a gradient, and yes, so we'll pick in the black portion first. Use our pen, then pick it, go over to your design, and select it. Then you select the other part, the down part, and click the pencil icon also. Then you want to scroll. We want this one to be a little bit more darker, and we'll have our gradient to be like this. So this is our gradient color. We have this. Then you might want to reduce the spacing if you feel like it's too much. You want to reduce the spacing, so you want to reduce the spacing like this. Okay, and let's copy. Okay, yeah. So that font we wanted to use, we can use it for the Esther, right? So the font we want to use, let's go over to a font. The last font we use, and Telegraph. I think we can use the Telegraph font for the Esther. So we want to make it either this color or pure white, whichever one. But we'll give it the background. And I think we'll also be giving it a gradient color. Let's see the gradient color. This another part will just be a little bit more lighter. This almost the same thing, but there's a little bit of contrast there. All right. So let's still work on this. The background, we want to increase it. The left, 25. And the radius should just be a little bit, and you have it to be like this. Then you can maybe rotate it. Let's use the rotation. the way it was actually rotated. We might want to increase the image, but that is not the major thing for now. Let's still do this. Oh, okay. Let's still leave this for now. Then the other thing we'll do is bring in this shape like this. Bring in this shape, bring in this shape, bring in this shape. We have it to be like this. And you want to rotate it. Please. Take it up, just take it up. Take it up, take it up, take it up, take it up. You have it to be like this. Then you still copy it. Edit. I want to reduce this one. It won't take your time. This is just I'm just modeling what the original designer did. So copy, still edit, still reduce the size a little bit more. Then rotate. We'll rotate it to be maybe 30. Then 60. Take it up. So okay, the size, I think you can still reduce the height. And we've done that, so we'll have to merge all of them. We'll have to merge all of them. But before that, and so let's merge the tree. You have it to be like this. Then you want to copy this. Let's see. 3D rotate. And you have it to be like this. Okay, so now what are we going to do? You have this to be like this. This to be like this. And then I think you want to take the original image up a little bit. And you have it that way. So you lock all of these things, lock them, bring this to the front. So we've done the major thing, I think. So now what we're gonna do is bring in the other text. We're just gonna put in a block of text for here. Just gonna put in a block of text. Then reduce the size, give it a left alignment. You can use the same font without having to change it. So you just have this to be like this, and you want to paste this here. Let's set the size I'm using. So 12. Then still copy this. Have this to be here. Copy. It's gonna be like this. So you can leave this to be like this now. We'll bring this Benson, the main Benson, bring it to the front. Bring it to the front. That means we'll have to bring Esther also to the front. So now we have this, copy this. And the same thing, have this text here. We're just using the same text, so no need to bother yourself much. Copy and have this here. So just take them to the back, take them to the back, take them to the back. Then the other thing we'll do is the way they wrote that text, Benson Esther round, Benson Esther round. They wrote it round. So let's text Benson Esther. So they wrote it round, and let's just use the same font. Or you know what? Let's bring in the shape. Bring it to the front, so we see what we're doing clearly. All right, if you watch to the end, up until this point, just let me know what it is you've learned. If you're enjoying the tutorial, if probably there's something you want us to be doing, you also let us know. That's the way we improve, that's the way we serve it better. For now, we're just making videos that you can replicate easily to smartphone. The goal and the idea is just to help more people to start their career with the smartphone and hopefully climb up the ladder. So that's what all this has been about. Then okay, what else is remaining? Let's see. We have to apply more curve. I think. Copy. This. Let's see. Should you rotate? I think it's okay. You want to take this up a little bit so that there's some spacing. And make sure you're also centralized. Now all you have to do is just to merge it. Merge them together. And we've done that. Then you can go ahead and delete this shape. You've achieved what you wanted to achieve. That's this over here. Then just one more thing we'll do before we call it a wrap for this tutorial. That's we also let's see, copy this Benson. Copy it, but this time around we're gonna make it small. Only the first letter will be big. Like this. Benson. And now we use the Poppins font, so let's use a lighter version of this. Let's see, something like this. Beautiful. Now the gradient, we'll change the color. Let's see the gradient. So let's say we are using this, but we want to change something. Okay, something like this. Beautiful. This is what I want to achieve. Beautiful. This is what I wanted to achieve. The Benson, then copy it. Esther. Let's type in Esther. Esther. The color, we'll be using that darker one. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. I think 25. So now we give it spacing. Spacing. The size. And now we're done with that. Then the last thing is to copy this stuff here. I want to copy it. Bring it, take it down. then reduce the size. Something is missing in this. Maybe as I reduce the size. Okay, just delete this. Like I noticed, like as I reduce the size, one of that thing wasn't showing. As I reduced it, it wasn't showing anymore. But that's not a problem. We've been able to replicate this. Once more, I want to give a big shout out to the original designer, Benson, Esther. And we've been able to achieve something today. Still see if you can still. There's a way if you rotate it, that last part will not be seen clearly. So, thank you for watching up until this point. You can save as an image. Okay, one more thing to just put. Copy this. I want to put in happy birthday over there. Happy birthday. I want to centralize this. So that we've come to the end of our tutorial. I've been able to replicate this in under just 16 minutes. So thank you for watching to the end. Save as project, save as image, and we can go ahead and delete this now. And I will see you in our tutorial tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.